So now we're going to move into the workshop. But before we do, let's make sure we know what we need to keep front of mind as we work. How can you use a multiplication equation to write a multiplication story problem? Right. You can use what the factors represent to draw a picture, like we did here, and then you can write a story that matches that picture. So you know that the first factor, that's going to tell you the number of groups. The second factor, that's going to tell you the amount in each group. And then we don't know the total, so we'll have a question that asks for the unknown total. And we know that is the product. Great. Okay, so if you were talking to one of your classmates, what would you tell them to make sure and ask themselves while they're working today? Yeah, you might have said something like, what is a story about equal groups that I can tell? Or did I use words like in each to show there are the same amount in each group? Those make a ton of sense. Go ahead and jot that down now for yourself to finish up your personal notes for the introduction, as well as anything else you want to remember. I'm going to write down that question about right here. What is a story about equal groups I can tell? That would be a helpful question for me to be asking myself when I'm trying to think about multiplication story problems.